Metal furniture has come a long way from its humble beginning as utilitarian pieces in factories and workshops. Today, it's a popular choice for interior and exterior design, offering durability, versatility, and contemporary aesthetics. In this video, while we show you some metal furniture ideas you can try making, we will tell you about the fascinating history of metal furniture, tracing its evolution from its industrial roots to the innovative and diverse designs of the modern era. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of metal furniture ideas or metalworking projects you can try making at home. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. The origins of metal furniture can be traced back to the Industrial Revolution of the 18th and 19th centuries. As factories and manufacturing processes developed, the need for functional and robust furniture grew. Metal, particularly wrought iron and cast iron, emerged as the material of choice due to its strength and malleability. Simple and sturdy designs such as metal stools, chairs, and tables were created to withstand the rigors of industrial environments. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, a new level of elegance and artistic expression were brought to metal furniture. Designers began incorporating intricate curves, flowing lines, and nature-inspired motifs into their metalwork. Aluminum, with its lightweight nature and ability to be molded into intricate shapes, gained popularity during this period. Metal furniture became a symbol of modernity and sophistication, adorning upscale homes and public spaces. One of the most significant advancements in metal furniture came with the introduction of tubular steel in the early 20th century. Designers embraced the material, creating iconic designs that defined the modernist movement. Tubular steel furniture featured sleek forms, clean lines, and an emphasis on functionality. The marriage of metal and innovative design principles resulted in timeless classic furniture pieces. The mid-20th century witnessed the rise of mid-century modernism, a design movement characterized by simplicity, organic forms, and the use of new materials. Metal furniture played a significant role during this period, with designers experimenting with materials like aluminum, chrome, and stainless steel. Molded metal frame furniture exemplified a marriage of comfort, style, and durability. As outdoor living spaces gained popularity, metal furniture found its place in gardens, patios, and poolside areas. Aluminum, due to its lightweight nature and resistance to corrosion, became the preferred choice for outdoor furniture. Lightweight and easily movable chairs, tables, and loungers allowed for flexible and stylish outdoor arrangements. Powder coating techniques were developed to enhance durability and provide a wide range of color options. In the modern era, metal furniture has embraced innovation and eclecticism. Designers and manufacturers experiment with different metals, finishes, and fabrication techniques to create unique and eye-catching pieces. Stainless steel, with its sleek appearance and durability, is commonly used in kitchens and contemporary interiors. Mixed materials such as metal combined with wood or glass offer a fusion of texture and aesthetics. Customization options such as laser cutting and 3D printing have opened up new avenues for intricate and personalized metal furniture designs. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainability and recycling in the furniture industry, and metal furniture is no exception. Manufacturers are using recycling metals and implementing eco-friendly production practices. Accordingly, the trend of upcycling and repurposing old metal furniture has gained traction, allowing for unique and environmentally conscious designs. From its humble beginnings in industrial settings to its current status as a staple in contemporary design, metal furniture has evolved and adapted to the changing needs and tastes of society. The development of new materials, innovative techniques, and focus on sustainability have shaped the trajectory of metal furniture, whether it's the timeless elegance of wrought iron, the sleek minimalism of tubular steel, or the versatility of aluminum. Metal furniture continues to captivate with its durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Well, there you have them, dear viewers, our hand-picked metal furniture ideas or metalworking projects you can try making at home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.